Gary Conservatory, class of Lot 5.
If you'll just take the time to read a little bit about the conservatory.
The Wells Fargo wagon's coming up from the depot!
A wonderful story. At this hour of the day? Nonsense. The Wells Fargo wagon?
But it could be the band instrument!
The band instruments?
Wells Fargo wagon is a coming down the street. Please let it be for me. Oh, the Wells Fargo wagon is a coming down the street. I wish I knew what it could be. I got a great bag of Wells Fargo wagon is a coming down the street. A tasty surprise or COD.
It could be curtains!
It could be, yes, you're right, it surely could be. Something very, very special now. Oh, the Wells Fargo wagon is a coming down the street. And don't let it pass my door. Oh, the Wells Fargo wagon is a coming down the street. I wish I knew what he was coming for. The DAR sent a cannon for the courthouse square.
Oh, the Wells Fargo wagon is a coming now. I don't know how I could ever wait to see. It could be something for someone who is no relation as it could be. Something special just for me.
Wells Fargo wagon keeps on coming. Wells Fargo wagon keeps on coming. Wells Fargo wagon. There's no make a stop until it's
Here you are, Whitaker.
My cornet! Gee, thanks, Professor!
Ladies and gentlemen, you will each receive individual instruction in due course. In the meantime, stay off the streets, get acquainted with your instruments, and think about the minuet in G. La-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da. La-di-da. La-di-da.
Sister, isn't this the most scrumptious solid gold thing you ever saw? I never thought I'd ever see anything so scrumptious as this scrumptious solid gold thing. Oh, sister!
Round one for you, Mr. Hill. But I'm gonna hear some fine guys shooting down the boards in mighty short order, or I'll see you in front of the grand jury over the county seats. Now, Miss Marion, about that book.
Come, George, Tempest Fugits!
What's your phraseology? Get along if you want to. I've got some business with the librarian about that book.
Ladies' dance continues next Tuesday night over at the high school.